What can happen to your body if you sleep with a pillow between your knees? Bedtime is probably one of the moments we look forward to the most at the end of the day. However, although it is a physiological need and we do it every day, there are bad habits that can affect our rest and our posture when we are cradled in the arms of Morpheus. 1. It helps to improve your posture. Some sleeping positions are better for our spine than others, so the way we position our body is of great importance. Research has shown that if we lie in bed asymmetrically, this can cause damage to the structure of our spine. For this reason, it is advisable to sleep with a pillow between the knees when we sleep in the fetal position, as this will help us to rest in a symmetrical position. 2. It prevents sciatica and lower back pain. Some people live with chronic back pain, but placing a pillow between the legs can also help align the pelvis and hips, reducing compression and, consequently, also the constant discomfort in this area, which is mainly caused by poor weight distribution of the body when sleeping. 3. It makes sleeping during pregnancy more comfortable. Regardless of whether you prefer to lie on your right or left side, specialists recommend sleeping on your side during the gestation period, for which using a pillow can be of great help to distribute the weight and reduce back tension, keeping the spine in a neutral position. In the market, there are models specially designed for this specific purpose, in the shape of C and U to fit the body. Place the pillow correctly. If you prefer to sleep on your back, you can also use a pillow or cushion to support your spine while you sleep. This will also help reduce back pain. Even if you have pain on both sides, this position may be better for sleeping than on your side, as it keeps your back in a neutral posture. You can also use a towel or other small cushion to support your waist so that your body is aligned, distributing your weight evenly and preventing you from moving or rolling around in bed while you are asleep.